yesterday sa mall show. I got this from my Rensaf Diaries family. And it says here, customized by Dearest for Ren. And it's a Lego. Okay, let's open it! Ano to guys? Una sa lahat, maraming salamat at nag-abala po kayo. Okay. No way. Oh, look. Ang cute. Hala! Wait, guys. It's a keychain. Look at this. Look. Oh my gosh, that's Baby Ace. Tingnan niyo si Baby Ace. Tapos meron siyang gun. This is so cute. And also, may Ren na nakalagay. Thank you so much, Dearest. Ang cute-cute. Nalagay ko to sa bag ko. And, meron pa dito may nagbigay pa nito. Alam nyo, malapit ko nang isipin na yung mga binibigay nyo talaga sa akin ay yung mga kay Joseph. Or nagkamali lang. Nakuha ko ba yung kanya? But yeah, I'll keep this or I don't know.